for. The moment I landed from China, they're like, यहाँ क्यों गए थे? क्या करने गए थे? आपने पढ़ाई करी यहाँ पे? क्या पढ़ाई करी? Okay, so tell me, what phone do you use? Samsung A36. What do you think? What is the key to success?
So, what do you do?
I'm in college. I'm doing my master's abhi, foreign relations में in China.
In China? Oh, that's nice. Like, how come you came up with this China foreign relation and all?
तो मैंने undergrad में एक exchange किया था. I went to China for a bit, and it was just really nice and really really safe. So I was like, yeah, might as well.
Okay, what's your plan afterwards? Like after your grad or after your.
At some point, I want to go into politics. We'll see how that goes. उसके पहले probably a corporate. I just want to travel, collect some experiences and everything, and then maybe decide what I do with it.
Okay, so tell me more about like how come other person, like when you tell other person about this thing, how they react to it.
China, okay. The immigration story that I had was the moment I landed, every time I land from some other place, people are like, oh, we went there, what did you go for? The moment I landed from China, they're like, यहाँ क्यों गए थे? क्या करने गए थे? आपने पढ़ाई करी यहाँ पे? क्या पढ़ाई करी? ये क्यों चूज किया? There's like 20 questions जैसे मैं अभी मतलब I didn't even go through immigration or anything. I just straight up crossed the border and came here or something. No, it was just there's a little more enmity towards like all the questions.
So what's the, you told me that you visited China, right? So what's the best thing you liked in China that you want it in India too?
I think the places are very safe. Like the thing is that there is surveillance everywhere, and people can find that problematic. It can have a lot of privacy concerns and everything. But as a woman, I think it's very very safe. It makes all the places so safe that अगर मेरे को रात को कहीं जाना है, whatever I want to wear, wherever I want to go, I have the freedom to do that, and I can just like make sure that I'm in a place and like I will be fine no matter when I get back, who I get back with, or wherever I am. And I think that's really cool.
Okay, so tell me what matters to you most, like your dream career or your dream job or money?
I think money is important because it will enable me to do things that I want to be doing. But what I want to be doing is traveling everywhere, preferably. I want to be ticking off like places within my country. I want to be ticking off places in other countries.
Bucket list.
Yeah, literally a massive bucket list of places, things to do, experiences. And I think what is most important to me is have a good circle of friends. So have like people around me that I actually really enjoy. I think money is just an enabler for that. आया तो आया फिर देखी जाएगी.
Okay, tell me what phone do you use?
Samsung A36.
Okay, so why Samsung A36?
I think it was more budget friendly for me because I'm a student. So yeah, that was my first option. And I think it's a very established brand. So yeah, pretty much that's it.
Have you ever used iOS?
No, I haven't.
Will you in future like to switch on that?
I don't mind, but the thing is, I feel that iOS is not very the interface is not very user friendly. It has a lot of technicalities that I'm not comfortable with. So yeah, I'll stick with Android only for now.
What do you think? Like, what's the one Android phone which is worth of money in 2026?
Um, I think any upcoming models of Samsung. I'm actually very loyal to Samsung, so I'll go for Samsung only. So yeah, Samsung. Yeah,
Okay, so Samsung.
yeah.
So, like, you are in Delhi. Like, you have seen many people holding iPhones, right? So, do you think it's more of like people are getting very used to it, or is it like some kind of status?
Uh, I think it used to be a status symbol long back, but abhi I think it has gotten more affordable because production bhi ab India mein hone lag gayi hai, so it has gotten more budget friendly for people around now. So yeah, I see a lot more iPhones now compared to a decade back maybe.
Okay, so what's the one shift that you have seen? Like you said, you are from Mumbai, or your college is in Mumbai. So, what's the one shift you have seen in Mumbai to Delhi, like in Delhi, in regards of Mumbai?
In what matter? Like
Any matter, like anything that is that cultural shift, you can say any cultural shift that you have seen here in Delhi.
okay, yeah. So I think in Delhi people are more like I would say more acclimatizing. Like people are more friendly towards you. In Mumbai, there's this. I think you must have heard this notion going ki language wala thing, that Marathi people are very very particular about the Marathi language. So they are bit harsh and bit harsh towards outsiders, especially North Indians. But otherwise, the culture is like it's good. I mean, it's very acclimatizing for others who are coming from outside. But yeah, just the language issue is there. So you get people get hostile towards outsiders.
Oh, okay. What do you think? What is the key to success?
Hard work, continuous dedication. Hard work, continuous dedication. I think even when you fail a lot of times, the spirit to like you can get back every time and like stand up and work towards whatever you want in life.
Okay, so you said hard work. So what do you think? Hard work ज़्यादा important है या फिर smart work?
Smart work obviously, but yeah, I think a little bit of luck is also important. Like sometimes you work so hard, but still somebody else get that opportunity due to the factors that don't even matter. Like they are not even hard work or like related to what you have studied or something like that.
Okay, you mentioned luck. So do you yourself believe in destiny or luck?
A little bit, like yes, of course. Like so many times I've been working. Like right now, I was looking for a job, so I applied at a lot of places. But like in our college, a lot of things depends. Like CG, the specific job opportunity for which people are eligible. But due to in some job opportunities, we are not eligible because of various things that are totally unrelated to like what we have studied. Yeah, so that's where luck comes in. People get the opportunity randomly even when they have not studied for it.
Okay, so do you think whatever we do in our life as a child or as a teenager or as an adult, parent support is important in that?
Yeah, parent support is very important because at least you'll have that security in mind if nothing works well. We always have our parents to look for us.
Okay, so would you rather prefer to live alone or to have toxic friends?
Live alone, obviously.
Have you ever encountered such situation where your friendship got toxic or anything like that?
No, not really. Touchwood, like I had good friends throughout, so that was not a situation where.
Do you think friendship is important in a person's life?
Yeah, friendship is definitely important. Like otherwise, you'll be lonely. In the end of the day, people who are living alone, working alone, friends are the only source of their daily. Like they can come back, rant about whatever's happening, and then yeah.
Do you think like you consider yourself alone or lonely?
Sometimes yes, obviously, like people, like there are friends who were in the same situation as mine, but as soon as they get a job, I do not have anyone to talk about it because everyone is busy in their lives. But yeah, not so much. You always find people who would understand you despite of whatever's going on.
Nice answers you are giving.